Hey, what's going on, guys? Eric here at EM Motors and Launch Vans. Just gonna do a little walk around and show off video of this recent build coming out of the shop that is for sale. So check it out. It is the chassis is a 2022, so it's your V6 four-wheel drive with forward low, the high roof, 144-inch wheelbase. Looking pretty sweet. It's in selenite gray metallic. Of course, our chassis are ordered super loaded, so you have all the goodies on this one. The LED lighting package, so your headlights, tail lights, all that good stuff. 10-inch touchscreen with 360-degree cameras, so you can kind of see front, back, all around, and some of those goodies. So check that out. We decided to do the Arsenal Black Rhino wheels, wrapped in BF Goodrich KO2 tires. They're 275 70/17. We did the Alvan Engineering, their new steps, which are sweet, or running boards, whatever you want to call them. We did Van Compass's floating light bar with some Baja Design Amber LP6 lights with the high and low. We did a nice side ladder. We did Flatline's low pro roof rack up top, so that can accommodate, we have a 200-watt solar panel up top. We have Fiamma's F80s awning on this other side here, and then you can add a deck up there if you wanted to, or have us do it. We have CR Lawrence T-vented windows on both crew side, or both crew windows, so the sliding door and this front window. What else exterior wise here? Alvan tire carrier with a 5th matching spare, gotta have that. Check it out, that thing's sexy. We did the Rome built chicane ladder on this one. So yeah, 200-watt solar panel that is expandable if you want to, and then you can build a deck. You know, there's a lot more space. So if you wanted to do something like that, some high bars, put a roof box up there, whatever. Oh, we got a Maxxair fan, 7500K, the deluxe, like we like to do. So this one we used, we had an adventure wagon kit left over that we wanted to use. So we decided to use it. So you have L-track all over the place, which is awesome for attaching stuff. Hang a hammock even. Yeah, and then we did our thing to it. So just give you a little peek here. Got some aluminum uppers. Bam. We have lights up here and underneath on a dimmer. See if you can see that or not. So that works great at night. I really love ours at night. Kind of, you don't really need the upper lights, but the upper lights do a couple taps and you can go into the red light mode and back, and those dim as well. Have the awning little tool to roll out the awning. They're up top, mounted out of the way, but easy to get to when you want to deploy the awning. We decided to use Lost Highways, their new aluminum galley. Their little, what do they call this? A pedestal galley with the little drawer fridge, which is awesome. So you got a little freezer, bam. Got to get that ice cream in there, and then a little fridge. So that's cool. And then it has a matching sink. Bam. And then this folds away nicely. Has a nice, bamboo cutting board top, which is cool. We did our step extension, so you can have, you know, we put our dog leashes there, but dirty shoes, sandals, stuff like that can go there if you want. Factory swivel seats, so the lower seat bases, best of the best. Espar diesel heater underneath the seat. We also have our fuse block, or no, we've mounted our fuse block somewhere else because we did a 200 amp hour Victron system. So we do have a 200 amp hour Victron battery system, Victron solar controller, and BMS, smart BMS, so you can take I think 50-60 amps from the factory alternator. So pretty awesome. It'll charge this thing up nicely along with the solar. Does have a 2000 watt inverter, so you can have 110 power for your coffee makers and other items like that. What else? I'll stick on this side here. Heated memory swivel seats, which are awesome. We have the Lagoon table mount with the bamboo top there. We have Friedman two-seater fold-up seat, which is awesome. You can see how it just frees up the space in the van when it's not deployed. And we decided to do a Dryflush Laveo Toilet with a nice little drawer up here, so you can store your cartridges, trash bags, and some other things. And then that just slides out for use. You do have to stack the bed panel, which I'll show you here in a second. Let me pause the video. But yeah, stack the bed panel, super easy. And kind of have it in kind of more of the open mode. And I'll deploy this seat here too. Well, I can do that with one hand. Just deploy easy enough. Maybe. Yep. So, even with that deployed, you have plenty of room to get in between. And let me move this bed panel here, 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, just quickly, it has the Moab bed, so you can collapse the panel and then just stack it on the second panel there in the middle. Stack your mattress. You can move the mattress to the back too if you wanted to. But anyway, gives you full access, as you can see, with the seat deployed. Or get this bad boy out of the way and have full access here. See if I can do this. Bam. So, do your business while you're traveling down the road, if you need to, and then, or obviously have the bed panel moved because it kind of blocks you. But anyway, we wanted to add that. We get a lot of customers that, it's nice to have your bathroom, whether you use it all the time or just for emergencies. Dryflush Laveo is our the way we like to kind of use the toilet. Less mess, easy to swap the cartridges out, legal to dump in a trash can when it's done. So anyway, what else do we got here? By the way, if you don't let's say need this, or you want to add a sideways bench maybe part of the time, we have had customers that have us build a side bench here that will go in this location. So we can do that if you don't need the two-seater legal seat. So keep that in mind. So the boxes, we got our 20-gallon water tank feeding the sink, and then we also have a shower port in the back, which I'll show you, so you can rinse gear off, kids, dogs, and that. On the boxes, we like to put L-track kind of everywhere, so you can have the ability to tie down your gear, or you have lots of storage under the bed still, so you can go L-track over. Let's say you have some bags up top here, and then secure it to the other L-track and kind of cinch them down. I love that in my van, so try to add that kind of stuff here. Have a nice storage cubby there, because we didn't utilize that space but wanted to give it to you still. And then this is just your water pump, water tank, and then your electrical system here. Doing this one hand. We do have a little bit extra storage but little false door if you need to access, you know, fuses or some of the other devices. So pretty cool there. Yeah, lots of storage room, large cabinets, aluminum, super light. So, like I said, Maxxair Fan Deluxe, 10-speed intake or exhaust, huge for kind of ventilating and exchanging the air out of the van. Espar diesel heater, the Easy Start Pro controller here, which is rad. Your fan remote. This is your battery monitor, so it's just monitoring, you know, the information flowing through the battery system and the shunt. So I usually just want it at my battery percentage, but you can kind of see incoming. We got an amp coming in from solar above what we're using. We have the fridge on, the fan on, the lights on, so that's cool. But yeah, you can kind of scroll through and kind of check out some of the stats, or the Victron Energy Connect app works. Here's for your inverter on and off. Outlet here, outlet in the garage in the back, and I think that's it. We have USBs and 12-volt plugs everywhere too for your devices. Hooks, we love these little hooks that we buy from RB Components. So hanging bags, coffee cups, packs, all kinds of stuff there. So let's see here. Let's go in the garage. So rear doors, you can add stuff sacks if you want to. We didn't add anything like that to this one, but you can add a stuff sack here and here. You got the My Medic Medikit 110 outlets and some USB that run off the inverter, and then your cigarette lighter style and USBs back here. So have the ability to, you know, I think the 12 volt, most people will use an auxiliary fridge if they want one, or like inflatable pump for paddle boards and kayaks and stuff like that. So super nice to have that. Water, we give you kind of your water level. You kind of see that in there. It's super easy to see your water level there or on the side. And then garage lights, water pump, and then we do have a ball valve tank drain, so when you want to empty the tank drain, you can. We do have a gray tank for the Galley. But yeah, super easy to rinse your gear off. Plenty of length on the hose, which is huge. You can leave it attached, or it's quick disconnect if you want. If you don't want to leave it there, but it's a good spot to just leave it. What else, guys? I think that's about it. Pretty sexy van. Turned out really well. Of course, we do a lifetime warranty for the original owner on all our builds. So no worries there. We got financing available. And these L steps. Digging those. What do you think of those things? These arsenals always look good. I think the van turned out awesome. Let us know if you have any questions. If you're interested in this van or any of the other vans we have. We always have a ton of vans. We have some used stuff for sale too on emmotorsboise.com's website. Launchvans.com. You can kind of check out our build stuff and packages. We can do full custom though. You can deck vans out as high as you want to go. Yeah, so emmotorsboise.com or launchvans.com for that. You can check out our used. We got a couple cool used vans right now that are built out. Always got stuff like that going on. So anyway, thank you for taking a look at this. Let me know your thoughts on this thing. I always like to see and hear your feedback. Appreciate the kind words. But yeah, let us know what your thoughts are. Or if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below or reach out to us at the dealership. 208-853-AUTO. All right, guys, take care. Have it's right before the 4th of July weekend, so I hope everybody's getting out and enjoying the long weekend, hopefully. If If you need a van, we do have some ready to go, including this one. So hit us up. Take care, guys. Bye.